You asked, how to divide 30,375 by 15 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 30. 30 divided by 15 equals 2. 2 times 15 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 15 equals 0. 0 times 15 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down 7, making 37. 37 divided by 15 equals 2. 2 times 15 equals 30. 37 minus 30 equals 7. Bring down 5, making 75. 75 divided by 15 equals 5. 5 times 15 equals 75. 75 minus 75 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2025.